Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Khwezi Trade. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Khwezi Trade is an award-winning FSCA-regulated Forex broker and a licensed OTC derivatives provider that is based in South Africa. As a Khwezi Trade client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, commodities, and indices with tight spreads and flexible commission-free accounts. We highly recommend opening an account with Khwezi Trade if you are a South African citizen, because your account can be funded in South African rands, which will greatly reduce transaction costs and the impact that exchange rates could have on your investments. Khwezi Trade is also a great option for beginners who are considering trading for the first time, but more experienced traders will have access to a variety of MetaTrader 4 indicators, charting and analysis tools, fundamental and technical analysis data, and more. Khwezi Trade's website is user-friendly and easy to use. You can find all the information you need about the company, the accounts they offer, the platforms you can use, and the instruments you can trade by either using the menu bar or by scrolling to the very bottom of the homepage and selecting an option from the lists. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with Khwezi Trade, simply click on the Trading tab and select an instrument from the drop-down list to view more detailed information about it. Khwezi Trade currently offers 60 currency pairs with tight spreads, and also offers a 30% welcome bonus for all new accounts. As a Khwezi Trade client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. With the MetaTrader 4 platform, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, which includes news and signals, directly in your terminal, which will allow you to keep track of all financial market events. You can also use suggested trading strategies and expert advisors, and much more. Khwezi Trade also offers several exclusive tools for fundamental and technical analysis, market and economic news, candle pattern identification signals, indicator identification signals, premium buy and sell suggestions, and more. When trading with Khwezi Trade, there are 4 types of accounts you can choose from. All accounts are commission-free and offer a maximum leverage of 1 to 400. Some other features that all 4 accounts have in common are that they allow hedging, scalping, and trading with expert advisors, and you will receive fundamental analysis newsletters on a weekly basis. While the silver and gold accounts have the lowest minimum deposits, with spreads starting at 1 pip, the platinum and diamond accounts have higher minimum deposits, but they offer ultra-low spreads, starting at 0.4 pips. The gold, platinum, and diamond accounts come with account managers, market analysis emails, and personal training, but only the platinum and diamond accounts can be used to access the market analysis portal and VIP trading videos. If you would like to practice trading before depositing any real money into your account, or if you are in the process of developing new strategies and you'd like to test them before going live, you can open a demo account that will allow you to trade in a risk-free market environment with virtual funds. You can open an account with Khwezi Trade in a few simple steps, and it'll only take a couple of minutes. Firstly, launch the Khwezi Trade homepage and click on the Open Account button. The next thing you'll want to do is enter your full name and email address, choose a strong password for your account, and then complete the online application. You will then want to verify your account and email address, and finally log into your account. Once your account is approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account has been opened and approved, the next step would be to download the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. And once you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal on Khwezi Trade. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you would like to learn more about the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, Khwezi Trade offers a variety of video tutorials that covers everything you need to know about MetaTrader 4 platform functionality to help you get started. If you are new to trading, Khwezi Trade offers a variety of resources for market research and analysis. They also provide several unbiased broker reviews for South African traders, and you can visit the FX Explained website if you want updates on the latest economic news, or if you are looking for Forex charts and educational content to help you learn the basics of trading and how to use trading strategies. Khwezi Trade has received several awards over the years the broker has been in operation, and some of their most recent and prestigious awards include the Best Forex Broker in Africa in 2020 and 2021, and the Best Broker in South Africa of 2019 and 2020. Overall, Khwezi Trade is a proudly South African, award-winning Forex broker with thousands of clients and flexible accounts for all types of traders and investors. Anyone can open an account with Khwezi Trade, but we especially recommend trading with them if you are a South African citizen, because you can fund your account using the South African Rand, which means that you won't have to worry about exchange rates and international banking fees. Khwezi Trade can be summarized as a trustworthy, proudly South African broker with a good reputation. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with Khwezi Trade today to claim your 30% bonus. And that is our overview of Khwezi Trade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.